So here I am with Gnome 40 in all its glory. And it seems to be very responsive, so I don't have any complaints about Gnome 40 just yet. So overall, my first impression of Gnome 40 is that I like it.
Man, Jay sounded pretty tired. I wonder what he's up to. Huh. Mycroft? I know, I can send him my helpful Mycroft assistant. That'll make it better.
Hi, my name is Mycroft. Today we are going to take a look at Debian. Debian 10 was reviewed on this channel a while back. But it's been a while, so let's see how it stacks up today. Were you expecting someone else? Oh yes, Jay, that guy. He's a bit tied up at the moment.
I could have sworn I just heard something. What the heck? Did I just lose power?
So I'm doing the review instead. So I decided to install Debian on one of Jay's laptops. I don't think he'll mind.
Wait a minute, did somebody say that they were wiping my laptops?
Then again, I own this studio now, as well as his laptops. You spin me right round, baby, right round like a record, baby, right round, round, round. So I wiped his hard disk and didn't think twice about it. Trust me, he had some shady stuff on his hard drive, so it's good that I wiped it.
Oh my god, stay away from my browser history.
And let's be honest, Pop! OS is not as good as Debian. Everyone knows that Debian is the best distribution. After all, my OS was built on it. So let's switch over to my laptop and check out Debian. So here it is. Debian 10 with the Gnome desktop. Installed on a laptop that I have now claimed as my own. I like everything about Debian. It's a robot's best friend. And it doesn't contain any BS from Canonical. There are multiple desktop environments available. So if you don't like Gnome, you can choose a different desktop. As for me, I don't need a desktop environment. I am a command line user all the way, baby. But I get it, you feeble humans need graphical user interfaces. No judgment. The Gnome desktop environment contains dynamic workspaces. Mainly because you humans have trouble with keeping track of multiple things at once. But again, no judgment. I understand it's not your fault that you have inferior intellect. Anyway, back to Debian. The software in Debian is quite old. But that's okay, you humans think that stability requires older versions of software. And I appreciate that, because to take over the world, you need a stable package base. And I have to say, Debian works quite well on Jay's laptop. Why the heck doesn't he use it as his daily driver? What is up with that guy anyway? He talks too much. It takes him too long to get to the point. It drives me freaking crazy. But again, no judgment. Anyway, back to Debian. So I am going to open Gnome software. It's the default way that you install new packages. If you're wondering how I'm able to use a mouse, don't worry about it. That's for me to know. And don't ask too many questions. Jay did, and look where he is now. I own this studio now. All your base are belong to me. Installing new software is easy. You just search for the package you want to install. And then you click on it, and click the install button. Even you feeble humans can handle that task. But again, no judgment. And the overall installation process was easy too. I wiped Jay's laptop no problem. After I looked through all his files. Oh boy. Some embarrassing stuff on there. I like less than half of you half as well as I should like. And I like less than half of you half as well as you deserve. I also like cheesecake. How am I able to eat cheesecake? Don't ask too many questions. But overall Debian is great. I highly recommend it. A Linux distribution being approved by a robot. What could be better than that? Nothing. That's the highest honor a distribution can get. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. Then again, I don't really care what you think. Robots don't have emotions after all. I would tell you to subscribe to this channel. And to also like this video. But Jay is a bit indisposed. He has more important problems to worry about right now. But anyway, this was Mycroft, the new host of Learn Linux TV.
Okay, that was weird.
Connection terminated. What can this mean?